track. That is Jump by Van Halen. What a great track. Awesome track. Right in the center of that song, around 2 minutes and 16 seconds, it goes into a guitar break. And for years and years, I've looked at that song and thought, how does he do it? Anyway, I've done the research, so you don't have to. Welcome to today's lesson on awesome drumming exercises from songs. And we're looking at Van Halen's Jump. All right, so what I like to do with all of my lessons is bring everything back to one surface. Bars 1 and 2. It is an 8-bar phrase. Bars 1 and 2 go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I've got the notation as a downloadable, and you can find that via my website. The link will be on the page. Bars 3 and 4, very similar. I'll show you that one now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, again, we're bringing everything to the snare so that we can start to get the hang of how it sounds. Now, you should be able to learn this, as I say, even as a beginner. Okay, so bars 5 and 6 are a little bit more detailed, and I'll run you through that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's bars 5 and 6. Bars 7 and 8, the last 2 bars of the phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might be wondering, how does this translate? The way I'm going to approach this one is to show you on the snare first those bars, and I'll do it in 2-bar phrases, and then I'll show you as it's played between the kick and the snare. First 2 bars again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you'll see a similarity. The beats are the same, I'm just changing where they are placed. The next 2 bars, 3 and 4, played like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're moving on to bars 5 and bar 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's bars 5 and 6. Now the last 2 bars, bars 7 and bar 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll now play it all 8 bars in a row. Let's go through that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that lesson. That's me for Jump by Van Halen. It's just that centerpiece right there where the guitar break goes off. Great track. And this is another edition of awesome exercises from songs. Please subscribe. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.